time is it?
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel or our channel Gamer Crew 2020. So, in this video guys, I wanted to show you the best game tutorial out there. The best game tutorial you can ever watch, my friends. So, yes, let's start right away. So first off, for this tutorial, I will pick a random picture that I got on my PC. So it's this beautiful woman. So for for educational purposes, I show you all the tools that we got here. So first off, we start with the text. The text is pretty easy, like in every other program. You just type in whatever you want. Like that. And then you can change whatever you want. You can change the size if you mark it. You can do it bigger. You can change the color. You can do whatever you want. Pretty basic. I feel like you already know that. Yeah. But I will actually change it again to black. Okay, yeah. So, that's basically it. Yeah. Okay, so I missed the H, no problem. So, okay, now I show you the pencil tool. The pencil tool is actually one of my favorites by far. You can just like draw around and draw whatever you want. And I feel like it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So, let's say I want the woman to have red shoes. Red shoes, guys. I select red. You can do it over here. You just click on the color and you slide it until you have your favorite color. You can also slide here, but I want the shoes to be red. I just click red. Now I want them to be slightly seen through. I select red and I just click on them. I like that. And as you can see, the woman has red shoes now. Magic. So, what I want now is I want to make the woman even prettier. To do that, I use the pencil as well, but I make it harden and I make the size slightly smaller. And you can zoom in if you press Ctrl and just scroll, as you can see. I got pixel now. I want to make 5. 5 is pretty good. So, okay. I mean, look, if I said I want the woman to have red lipstick, I can just paint over it with the pencil tool. Pretty easy. Wait, what I want to do now is to make it look more realistic. To do it like this. Yeah. Okay, guys. So I will do like a little speedrun. I try to make the hood red as well. So I will see you soon, guys. Just like this, guys. I finished the hood. Okay, but what? What? If we want the fingernails to be a different color. Let's say I want them to be blue. What I do now, I take this tool. You can just make a little circle. Select whatever color I want. Let's say I want this light blue. I take the filler tool and I just use it wherever I can, like this. We go on to the next fingernail. I select it as well, like that. Opara. Like that, like that, like that. Yep. I take the filler tool and I start painting the fingernail. Next finger. I will demonstrate it to you on this hand so you can see it even from distance. Filler tool again. Just fill out the fingernail. These are pretty useful tools actually. I mean, I love the filler tool for every instance I use it. So yeah, as you can see, if I go back, you can see them fingernails are blue now, which is pretty cool in my opinion. As I mentioned before, I have 900 plus hours in Gimp. So if it doesn't work out for you at the start, continue to work, continue to grind. Repeat. Watch this video twice or how often you want to watch the video. Slow down. Repeat. And then you will be on my level one time. So, the last trick I show you is if we say, I want the women to have like a better makeup. We can actually use some cool tools. On the right side, you can see it. There's like a little bit of templates and you can use them. I show you what I mean. If we select this beautiful woman, yeah, and we got the pencil to now. Wait, I want to make it actually 25. Yeah, like this. And I will try to get a like nice skin color. Yeah, like this. As you can see, I'm just going over her face and make like a little bit of makeup. Yeah, so basically I feel like the only thing we need to do now is like to improve the flower to make it look better, and therefore I think I got the perfect tool. Make it a little bit small actually. Wait, like half the size. Yeah, I feel like that's actually pretty beautiful. and we get some of the sparkles around her head, so she looks like a planet. Yeah, like that. Okay guys, if you want to see some more tutorials on this channel, I even have 1k plus hours in Photoshop, in Premiere Pro, in Sony Vegas, and even in Adobe Illustrator. So if you want to see more tutorials on this channel, please leave a like, leave a follow, and write a comment with the program I should do a tutorial on. So yeah, see you guys. Peace out.
Nach Monaco. Ich fahr mit ein VW Scirocco. Sie kommt aus Marokko. Ja, ja.